everybody, it's Kelly, and I am back with another layout. And I started this layout and realized I hadn't put my camera on. So my background paper here, the crayon paper, is from Echo Park I Love School. It's the crayon paper. And then the blue star paper there is Bella Boulevard Tiny Tots 2.0, the Watch Out paper. I do have a die cut here, which is from Confessions of a Paper Addict, so COAPA. You can find her on Etsy. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to, and obviously I filled the die cut before I even started this, which is why it took me 54 minutes to do this. But really, it only took about 20 minutes to construct the layout once I got the die cut done. So I'm collaging the photos together here. And I have a chipboard crayon box there that I really like. That's from the Echo Park I Love School chipboard accents. And it's so cute because he was coloring on their new art desk. So I thought that's M number 4 there. So playing around with where that's going to go. Paper filling the crayon thing. The yellow paper there is Bella Boulevard Hearts and Ombre for the box. It's the aqua is the Echo Park I Love School alphabet paper. There's a yellow cardstock in there from Basil. There's a red paper, which is the Doodlebug Petite Prince Ruby Dot Stripe. The green paper is the Doodlebug Petite Prince Grasshopper Dot Stripe. And I didn't get the orange, but that is a Doodlebug Wood Grain Gingham paper. All right, so back to the actual layout. I have that crayon sticker there from the Echo Park I Love School sticker book. And I want something to make that presence a little bit bigger and to sort of, I'm going to cross across the boundary between the blue paper and the crayon paper there as well too, to kind of bring everything in together. I talk about that I'm crossing with the top of the crayons, die cut crayon, so I wanted to do it again somewhere else. It also gave me a place to do a little bit of journaling. I don't have a lot to say. He's coloring on the new on his new coloring desk. All right, so kind of thinking about what else I can do. I find that little sticker there from the Echo Park I Love School sticker book again. And and I'm playing with just some foam tape there to get that on the I put the crayon sticker on foam tape because the chipboard has some, on the bottom right, has some depth to it. So I wanted the crayons to as well. So I'm getting depth in a couple of different places. There's lots of depth in this layout because I have lots of layers here, especially with the photo collages that I did. I did add another Ellie Studio green sticker there, label sticker, and that's where I'm going to do like the majority of my journaling and adding in. So then I found these crayon stickers, the little pieces of crayon sticker. Those are from the I Love School sticker book as well. And then I do have some more crayons that I'm going to use, and those are from the I Love School element stickers as well. So I'm using crayons from both of those places, just kind of pulling some colors together. At least I'm thinking about it. On the element stickers there, I found a scissors that I really liked, so I'm going to mount that there, eventually add any depth to that. Sorry, that's staying flat. And now here's where the other crayons there are from the large 12 by 12 sticker sheet, and then I just pulled some more from the book to get a few more colors in there, and just kind of adding a little fan of crayons there. And then because the other two spots have a label, I'm going to put a label up here as well too, so that you get the consistency across. I think it would have looked funny if I hadn't, especially since there's a big sort of white area in each of those clusters, and it wouldn't have had it. So this is a great example of how The clusters don't have to be exactly the same, but they have elements that are the same within each of the clusters to kind of bring them together. So now I'm thinking about adding some enamel dots here to, I always talk about different texture, but I didn't have enough of the red ones that it didn't make sense to me to use that particular pack. So now I'm looking at these, which are green. I'm thinking about using those. And some of these are not that old, but they're starting to stick a little bit. So I found 2 green stars, and I'm going to put those at the top because I feel like I need a little bit more green there, kind of looking at the colors that I'm using. And then I decided to do different colored stars with each of the clusters because I felt like I didn't need more green in either of the other 2 clusters. So I'm going to use these yellow stars. So the green stars come from the Altenew Green Meadows collection. The yellow stars are from the Altenew Pocketful of Sunshine enamel dot collection. And then, not to be too spoilery, but I am going to find some red ones as well, and those come from the Altenew Red Cosmos collection. These are definitely my enamel dot sheets of choice because you get so many. They are a little bit more expensive, but you get so many. Obviously, you can tell I love them because I keep buying them. And what I'll do is if I'm not finished with them and I buy some more, I'll just add them into the other package. I'll just put the 2 packages together because then it helps me keep track of them so I'm not, taking a few off each sheet. All right, there you go. Here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well. I will be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.